Joe Kennedy here from Big Game Tech. We're going to install a slick shot arrow rest on an old Bear single cam bow from the 1990s. Our slick shot side loader, standard fastener, I'm going to adjust this one for max overdraw. Arrow. It's a side loader, so I can, if I want, click on knock the arrow with one hand, push it into place with one hand. The arrow does not fall off; it's fully contained. Then I'm just going to eyeball it in. So first I'm going to check my horizontal, or my up and down, my vertical. Adjust that a little bit. That looks good. Nice and square. If I wanted to check this with a square, make sure my arrow is nice and straight. But luckily with the design of the slick shot, you don't have to be exactly perfect. Good eye is all you need. I'm going to check my in and out, side to side. I want to make sure that my arrow is nice and straight with the bow. And if you wanted to, you can use special tools to make sure that the tip of the arrow is square with the bow. With the slick shot, you don't have to. Good eye is all you need. It looks like we're a bit too far to the right. I'm going to adjust that a little bit. That looks good. Want my housing of my slick shot to be straight up and down. Again, if you're canted a little, that won't hurt. Okay? Tighten that down. And she's ready to shoot. Target behind me. I got my release on already. Let's shoot this old girl and see how she does. How about that, boys and girls? Dead nuts, dead center, bullseye from 20 feet. Big Game Tech, order your slick shot today.